Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost a post on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download a Facebook application, of course, if you don't have it on your phone. You can do that, of course, through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and download and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the video. So here I'll just go and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow the tutorial steps. So here, as you can see, that will actually be your home/main screen, and here you will find the post that you like actually, or maybe the post of your friend, the post of you, the post of the pages, or the groups that you like, follow, interested on maybe, and even the posts of ads and sponsors. And of course, as we said, if you want to actually boost your post, all you need to do first is post in a post. If you don't have a post, just simply click here at what's on your mind and post whatever you want, or just go and click at the plus icon here at the top right corner, then post your post from here. Of course, it will take you into the same thing. So for me, I'm just going to my profile by clicking at my icon at the top left corner here, or clicking at the three lines here, then click at see your profile. Of course, I have here some posts. So let's say as an example, I want to boost this post. So all I need to do, just go and click at the three dots here. And of course, as you can see here, for me, I don't have an option called boost this post. Then all you need to do, just go and click at this privacy, then click at here. Let's just click at unlock because my profile is locked. Of course, make sure your profile is not locked. Like exit view, exit view and unlock. Make sure your profile is not locked, and make sure your post is actually on public and not just your friends. So just go click at this, and as you can see, after like turning your, let's just go here to edit privacy, after turning your post into public, make sure to verify your account by, of course, verifying your email or your phone number. After doing that, of course, for me it's not verified, but after doing that, after clicking at the top right corner, like here, three dots, you will actually find an option here called boost your post. All you need to do then, just go and select the goal for your boosted post, and you will be good to go. Just pay your payments, and here you are kind of finished. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.